Peugeot XPS with a derbi sender engine in it, 50cc. It all runs. It's all running now. I bought it yesterday, 80 quid, which I think is a fucking good deal, because the wheels are like 150 quid on the old eBay. So yeah, Peugeot XPS. Never seen one before, but I like the look of it. Runner. My old school bike put together. And then a Sinis with a CBRF engine in it. Or CBF engine, sorry. Parts. Need an exhaust for it. The ones what are on them are nasty, horrible, they look horrible. Peace out, blood.